Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the new Zen update. This latest version brings significant enhancements, making your workflow smoother and more intuitive. You'll notice a streamlined user interface right away, designed for easier navigation. Furthermore, we've implemented new performance optimizations that can boost your overall efficiency by up to 20%, ensuring a faster and more responsive experience. Get ready to discover a more powerful Zen. Let's dive into the key features and how to navigate them effectively. The redesigned dashboard now offers customizable widgets, allowing you to tailor your view. Accessing new tools is simpler with the updated sidebar menu, which reduces the number of clicks by an average of 3. Plus, the enhanced search function now processes your queries 50% faster, saving you valuable time when looking for specific information. Now, let's explore the advanced settings and customization options available. You can configure various settings to personalize your Zen experience, making it truly yours. Adjust your notification preferences with granular control across 5 distinct categories, ensuring you only receive relevant alerts. Moreover, the new automation builder empowers you to create custom workflows, potentially saving you up to 2 hours every single week by automating repetitive tasks. To truly master the Zen update, here are some optimal usage tips. Implement best practices to maximize your productivity and streamline your daily tasks. Regularly review the integrated analytics dashboard for valuable insights into your usage patterns, helping you identify areas for improvement. Don't forget to leverage the over 20 new keyboard shortcuts designed to significantly speed up common actions and enhance your overall efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.